Hi, and welcome to how to actually make a digital badge in Illustrator CC. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to go down here and use the rounded rectangle tool to actually do the first part of our badge. So I'm just turning around the colors here and clicking and dragging out. We'll make one about this size here. Now, at the moment it's just a thin keyline stroke around, so what I'm going to do is come over to stroke and raise that up to around about 10 point. Now if you don't have that there, you can actually get the stroke from going window and then going stroke or Command F10. So that's the outline of our badge. Secondly, what I'm going to now do is use a couple of our shape tools to actually make up a form that we're going to use inside it. So I'm going to use the rectangle tool. I'm just going to do this outside of the badge area at the moment. And with this one, what I'm going to do is just again reverse this. I'm not going to have it stroked so that it's just a nice black rectangle. And then secondly, I'm going to go now to an ellipse tool and I'm going to hold down the shift key. Now hold down the shift key so I get a perfect circle, as we can see the perfect circle there. And moving my move tool, I can then use the sight guides to make sure that the smart guides actually line up to the center. Now by selecting these two pieces, I can now come up to my pathfinder and then cut things away. So I can minus the front object to the back object. Doing that, we've then got this cut away. So I actually want to make this look like a vase sort of set. So I'm now going to use my direct selection tool. Click the corner, drag it in, go to the other corner, drag it in as well. You can see when it's doing that, it actually lined up and told us where it lined up there. And so now I've got this sort of almost like a cup vase sort of aspect there. So I'm going to add that into my digital badge. And so this badge here, I'm going to have another one, and I'm going to come down here and use the polygon tool. And with the polygon tool, what I'm going to do different here is click and drag. You can see that the shape comes out. Now by holding down the tilde, which is the little one next to the 1 key, and then keep rotating, we actually get some really cool effects happening here. So it's actually going to step and repeat that shape continually all the way through. When I've let go, we've got it happening there. Now with this one, I don't want it to have a heavy stroke. So what I'm going to do is flick it to black, put it as a 0.25, and when I click away, it should find that if I then make the fill empty and then our stroke black, I now click away, you'll see I've got this really cool effect happening. So select all of those together, bring it over to here, and I've got that happening there. So this is actually the trash bin paper throw badge. So those are able to throw all their trash straight into the bin every single time gets this badge. Hope you enjoyed this little mini tutorial.